My name is Mr. Potato Tato, and my brother is very, very nice. But he's committing. Mr. Potato Tato is committing suicide. Don't forget to like and subscribe for Mr. Potato Tato. He's grown old of old age.
Not Mr. Potato.
Guys, I had to show you a secret.
So, don't just waste the potato.
It's very special. It's called Let
Don't just waste the potato.
the Dogs Breathe!